All right, you guys, so it is officially October and it is spooky season. I don't know about you guys, but I am really excited for like the big holidays throughout the year. Like once it hits October, it's like that is the prime time for the big holidays like Halloween, Thanksgiving, especially Christmas being my all-time favorite. So I cannot wait to start decorating for that. But being that we are in spooky season, I have been planning to decorate our front porch area for Halloween just to add some spook and creepiness to our front yard, and I absolutely loved putting this all together. So here I am just creating the arch that's going to go by our front door. I will tell you, like, this was honestly a hassle. It actually had to be disassembled at one point in time because it was not sturdy enough. So I had to take it down and then re-duct tape it with extra rolls of duct tape. But I love how this turned out, and you guys will see exactly what I'm talking about later on in this video.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark? From so far away, show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night? And what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder.
So Halloween is in full effect here in our home. So it's about to get really crazy and messy, but I've already started the arch that's gonna go out in our walkway in our front porch, and I'm really excited about it. This is like the second go round to this arch because I didn't like the first build that I did. So I took that all down, and then these are actually on this, but I took them apart and made two separate pillars. But yeah, so this is where we are at so far. So far I have the main part of the arch built, and then the two pillars that will be on the side somewhere. And then I also went ahead and took a trip to the 99-cent store and picked up a few last minute items because I am changing the theme of it and I needed some stuff. So first things first is I picked up, I think, 4 of these rectangle black table covers. These are gonna go on the pillars, and I may even use them on the arch as well. I'm not sure yet. My son threw in some bubbles. I didn't even realize that, but these are actually really cute. And then I also picked up this creepy cloth. I found it in black. They had it in gray and in that tan that I've shown in my videos prior to this one. And then I also picked up this 3-piece set of skulls. I should have grabbed 2 of these. They had a lot of them, so if I need to run back again and grab another pack of these, that's totally fine. These were $1.99. So I went ahead and grabbed one of those. And then I did grab 4 rolls of clear duct tape. I was using some duct tape, the silver one, but it wasn't sticking, I think because it was just super old. And then I also picked up some more glue sticks just in case I needed those. And then I found this guy here, which I'm really excited about. I wish they had 2 of them, but I only got the one. He was just $5.99, so not valley price, and he lights up. His eyes light up. And then I picked up 2 of these skull hanging decor pieces. These are gonna go on the arch, probably. I'm not sure yet. You guys will see everything put together once I'm done. But I got 2 of these. These also light up as well in the eyes. And then I got 2 of these big skull heads, which will for sure go on the arch, I'm thinking. So right now it's just the idea of a lot of skulls and stuff like that. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna like because, like I said, I started off with a totally different layout for the arch and I changed it. So I always change stuff. And then I also picked up 3. Did I pick up 3? Yeah, 4 actually. 4 of these creepy cloths that look like this. This for sure is gonna go on the arch, probably on the top there. I picked up 4 because they're not that long. So I got those. And then they also had some football cookies, which I thought were really cute. We are a football family and a basketball family here. And I just thought these were cute. We like sitting around and watching football on Sundays and on Monday and on Thursdays and on Fridays for school. So it's always football. It's football season right now. So my little guy seen these and he was like, can we get football cookies? And I said yes. So we got, that was everything that I got from the dollar store today. So I am just going to focus on getting this arch fully constructed. I've already started to put the staples in where they needed to go. There's a couple that have lifted, but that's okay. That is totally okay. It's gonna get taped as well. That's why I bought so much tape. So let's go ahead and get back to construction of this arch. So this is actually a bit later on in the day. Here I am just cutting some more of the styrofoam board to make additional pillars. And then I also moved the entire arch out into the garage as well. You'll see that in just a moment, just so that I could have some more space and also so that my family can enjoy the living room when they got home. But that is what I am doing here. I am just creating some more pillars. Pretty much I just sliced it in half. I didn't break it all the way through the paper side so that therefore I could bend it just fine in order to make the pillars that you see here that I hand painted. And then now I'm just taking some tablecloths, some black tablecloths, and I am placing those on top of the caskets that I also made out of cardboard. And it was actually pretty simple. However, when it came time to put it up, caskets actually had to come off. I was so sad about it because I spent so much time putting it together, but it ended up being too tall for the area because we were actually going to be putting it out a little bit further, closer to the lawn, but it ended up needing to go closer to the door for stability purposes. Now the next day, and I'm gonna go ahead and start packing up all of the fall decor that has been out for some time now. Usually right after summer is pretty much over and the kids are back to school, I usually decorate for the fall, and then that stays up temporarily. And then once I start putting stuff out for Halloween, I go ahead and just pack it back up until after Halloween, and then I will put it back out once again for the rest of November and until it's time to start decorating for Christmas. So here I am just packing up all of the pumpkins, all of the signs that I put out here on my front porch. I absolutely loved how this all turned out. And yes, that is a box in a Home Depot bucket that was underneath. All that is what you do to create, you know, the spaces with the spaces that you have. This is something that I also made for this space. Pretty much just used a thin piece of wood and then I pinned these pumpkins to it. I actually wanted to paint the pumpkins white. I may go ahead and paint the pumpkins white if I do put this back up. And then I just strung some of the garlands around it and it came out beautiful. Now we're taking everything down and just storing it away, like I said, until it is time to put it back out for Thanksgiving. So when we first moved to this house, we used to have like pest control. And so there were not a lot of like spider webs and all that stuff. But now that we no longer have pest control, it is a ton of spider webs all the time. So I just went ahead and took the liberty of just getting all the spider webs and sweeping this space. And then my husband and my son came out and helped me put this away. I thought I was filming it, but as you see, I was not. But this is what it looked like once it was up. There has definitely been some things added to this, but like I had mentioned, I had took it down before and had to reassemble it because the main arch there was not secure enough. Well, I was not anticipating any kind of rain anytime soon, and rain hit just a little bit. It was like for one day, but it actually did quite a bit of damage. So I am actually in the process of rebuilding this for the third time, and hopefully I get it done before Halloween. I'm super devastated. It's still up currently, but it definitely is drooping because there was quite a bit of water that did seep into the top there. But for right now, it looks good, and that's all that matters. You guys get to see the potential of what it would look like, but I'm definitely going to have to restore it and getting back up tall again before Halloween. So once I was done outside for the day, I went ahead and moved inside the house to get some cleaning done. And I'm just going to start here in the kitchen with just putting some dishes away where they belong. And then I'm just going to go ahead and tackle the dishes that were here in the sink just to get that all cleaned out. I'm also going to be taking care of wiping down the microwave and also all of the appliances here in the kitchen. I don't know about you guys, but I absolutely love the pink stuff, like multi-surface spray. It does a really good job and it makes the countertops really, really clean. I love the whole pink stuff line, honestly, especially in my bathtub. I love using the paste in my bathtubs. It really just gets all the grime off of especially the floor in our master bedroom shower. But here I am just using the pink stuff multi-surface spray and just giving my countertops a good wipe down before I head on in to this microwave and see the damage. And honestly, it wasn't too bad, but for this, I'm going to be using my Fantastic spray. This is a multi-purpose spray as well. It works perfectly for surfaces like this, and it really gets the job done. I'm just going to be taking my Scrub Daddy and just getting any like stuck on food off, and like I said, it wasn't too bad. So this was just a quick little job that I needed to get done. I think the family, for the most part, has been doing a really good job with using the cover that we got off of Amazon to keep the food from splattering all over the place. That has definitely been a huge help. So I'm just gonna finish cleaning up the microwave, and then I'm just gonna wipe down the stove and the refrigerator as well.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away? Show us where we are.
I was done. So I have really been enjoying our Bissell Clearview Rewind vacuum that we just recently got. It is absolutely amazing. You can switch the level height to be bare floor or high carpet, which I absolutely love, which makes for picking up before mopping a breeze.
Always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees?
So the last thing that I wanted to get done was definitely mopping the floor. It hadn't been done in some time, and when I tell you, you are going to be so surprised about how much dirt came off this floor at the end of this video. I definitely was. I knew it was dirty, but I was like, oh my goodness. But it got done. So that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what types of videos you guys would like to see next. Give this video a big thumbs up. Follow me over on Instagram, and make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss any future uploads. Make sure your notification bell is clicked, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.